Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, the #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing Token Swap Part 2. Let's now look at selling before or after the token swap. From the 20 projects that were included in the research, we compared the results. Group 1. This group is comprised of the native tokens that were listed on exchanges as soon as the token swap happened. Group 2. This group included the projects where they were or still are delayed by the exchanges as far as listing their native token goes. For a token swap to be fruitful, exchanges that already list the ERC20 token needs to support the token swap. They also need to confirm the date of listing the native token. Group 1 and Group 2 differ in terms of how exchanges value them. It's critical that the project management team has a good relationship with the exchanges as well as their community. If an exchange does not enable trading for a native token after the token swap, the token holders are effectively holding a non-tradable token. This situation is further exacerbated when a larger percentage of tokens did not participate in the token swap and continues to trade on the exchange. Side-by-side comparison. We have compared 15 projects as well as their token prices over 4 timeframes: 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days, and 30 days, after the token swap date. The projects that were included in the comparison were as follows. The 2 most successful token swaps so far were EOS and VeChain. EOS, which is currently the 7th largest cryptocurrency, increased its price by 26.4% in the first 24 hours, 17.5% after 3 days, and 12.7% after 7 days of its token swap. VeChain was almost as successful, recording a 23% gain in the first 24 hours, 22.6% gain in the first 3 days, and 3.4% in the first 7 days following its token swap. Both of these projects had their native token immediately listed on an exchange. On the other hand, the success level of these 2 projects was also determined by the marketing hype surrounding them. EOS's ICO is the biggest in history of the cryptocurrency space. As an ERC20 token, EOS got listed on 34 cryptocurrency exchanges. The token swap was immediate, and the tokens were frozen as soon as the mainnet launched. VeChain's intention of boosting transparency and product management in the supply chain sector generated a lot of interest from shipping companies as well as other businesses in the industry. The token swap was allowed for 6 weeks. VeChain got listed on 26 exchanges prior to its token swap. On top of that, 19% of them participated in the token swap process. Some of the tokens performed negatively as well. These projects are Cybermills and Mithril. These are less popular in the crypto space, which undoubtedly contributed to their lack of success. EOS, as an example, plunged by 28% 30 days after its token swap. This result implies that the positive impact of the token swap wore off, and the general market conditions affected the price performance. EOS, Tron, Icon, VeChain, Aeon, CHX, as well as Pundex went through a token swap in 2018. During 2018, the most prominent names are Binance, Zilliqa, and IOST. In conclusion, the stated purpose of this research was to identify if investors should sell before or after the token swap. The research showed that tokens are returned to their regular price after some time, which means that any potential price benefit should be looked at from a shorter time frame. Looking at EOS and VeChain, one can note that they both have considerable brand recognition at the time of the token swap. After removing both EOS and VeChain from the 3-day results here, the calculation shows that the potential gain of a few percent is undoubtedly not worth risking or engaging in the token swap. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment down below if there's anything you'd like us to cover in future, or if you would like to discuss the topics we have covered. Have a great day.